If you want to add sub-questions in SurveyMonkey, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. Sub-questions are a great way to break a main question into smaller parts, making your survey easier to answer and much more useful when you review the results later. This is especially helpful for rating different parts of a service, product, or experience all in one question. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, click on Survey to start building a new survey or open an existing one that you want to edit. After that, look for Add Content. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you insert new questions into your survey. Now click on Question because that's where you'll choose the question type that supports sub-questions. For this example, select multiple choice and then choose matrix or rating scale. This is the key step because matrix-style questions are what allow you to create a main question with several row labels underneath it, which work like sub-questions. Next, type your main question. For example, you might ask, how satisfied are you with the service? This gives your survey a clear overall topic. Then move down to the row labels section and add your sub-questions or items. You can enter things like customer support, website navigation, and UI. These are the individual parts you want people to rate. After that, click into the column section and type your answer options. These might include satisfied, very satisfied, less satisfied, and okay, depending on the scale you want to use. These column choices become the response options that apply to each row label. So instead of asking separate questions one by one, you're letting respondents answer all the sub-questions in one structured grid. If you want the scoring to behave in a certain way, click Use Weights. This is useful when you want to assign different values to the answer choices for analysis. It can help you organize results more accurately and make reporting easier later on. Once everything looks right, take a moment to review the question carefully and make sure the wording, row labels, and answer columns all make sense together. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. That's it. Your sub-question style matrix is now added to your SurveyMonkey survey. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to create another question that includes multiple related items under one main question. So to quickly recap, you go to SurveyMonkey, click Survey, Add Content, choose Question, select Multiple Choice, switch to Matrix or Rating Scale, enter your main question, add your row labels, fill in the columns, optionally use weights, and then save. It's a fast and effective way to collect more detailed feedback without making your survey too long. If this video helped you learn how to add sub-questions in SurveyMonkey, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.